This is a video on how to disassemble the Contour ROAM3 and replace the battery. I got this one from Rage Cams. 3.7 volt, 1500 milliamp. This is my own personal camera, so it's a little beat up. So yours probably doesn't look like mine. First thing you want to do, make sure the SD card's out. Screw underneath the lens cap. This screws off. Next thing you want to do, there's two screws on the side and the back holding together this part. This slides off out the front. The on switch just pops off the very top. Next thing, 6 screws, these silver screws. This comes off. Make sure you don't lose this O-ring that's sitting in the top of the white part. You don't need to take this bottom part off, but if you want to, you can undo these 2 screws and then you can just pop it off, but you don't need to if you're just going to change the battery. Next step, this is probably going to be taped down for you, this little ribbon cable. What you're going to do, this little brown piece, pull it towards you and it should swivel down. If it's taped on, take the tape off of this part, but mine isn't. It just lifts up and out of that little channel. Next part, to take this out, what I did is I pushed on the back of the USB port with a tiny little Phillips or flathead. I pushed on the very top and out, then it should start to come out. Set it down. This little piece might come off. It's just a thermal pad. This is your audio, your microphone cable. Just take some tweezers and pull on it. And now you have it out. Here's the new battery. Same specs, 1500 milliamp, 3.7 volt. The cable or connector, same connector, 3-wire. So unplug this. Wiggle it back and forth until it slides out. Your battery might be glued down, so what I suggest is taking a flathead or something and just wiggling it. That should come out. A little bit of glue. New battery. Same orientation, cable out this side. This cable is a little bit longer than the original one. So I'll show you what I do with that. Plug this in. It'll probably be a little tight with the new one, the new battery connector. There you go. Like I said, this cable's a little long, so I just tuck it in, wrap it around, and it should sit like that. Plug the audio cable back in, connector. You get this ribbon cable out of the way, and then you just slide the main board back into the chassis of the camera. Put this thermal pad heatsink back. There's two little like guide rails. You can just slide it back in. Ribbon cable. Slides in that little slot. Make sure it's level. And then you close this little gate. Tape this part back down if you want to. Put some electrical tape over it so it doesn't fly everywhere, so it's secure. Reassembling. Take this white piece, put it back. The 6 silver screws. Don't tighten these down too hard because you'll break the plastic like I did. Especially on this side. It's all broken, had to glue it back, so don't torque on it. Alright, put the slider back on. The long part facing the back. The magnet facing forward. Just pops in that little groove. And then this just slides back on. Take your 2 screws that you had, put it in the side. The lens cap. Just screw this back on. Back it off a little bit so it's in the middle. And then this screw. Should pop back in the hole if you get it lined up. Yep. There you go. Test it out, make sure your audio and the video aren't messed up. Yeah, put the SD card in. Should be good. Thanks.